Most budgets look great on paper until real life shows up with takeout cravings, forgotten birthday parties, and I need it for school tomorrow panic. But the reason your budget keeps breaking isn't because you're bad with money. It's because the system you're trying to use wasn't built for your actual life. I'm Rose Colburn, and welcome to the 30-Day Budgeting Challenge, where I'm giving you one quick tip every day to help you take control of your money without the BS. Because no one should feel like financial freedom is out of reach. Most budgets look great on paper, and they're great for framing to be hung on the wall so you can say that you created a budget. They look pretty, but they don't actually work too good in real life. They're built around some idealized, Pinterest-worthy version of you, the one who never forgets anything, never says yes to a coffee run, the one who magically predicts every expense in advance. And if that's not you, then the whole thing falls apart. So let's take a look at what most budgets actually look like. Too strict. No room to breathe, no flexibility. One unplanned expense and the whole month is off. They're unrealistic. Like, sure, I'd love to spend 30 bucks a week on groceries and magically have dinner on table at 5 p.m. That's not real life. They're no fun. You're allowed to buy shampoo, but not the candle or the video game or the tools, the cold drink or whatever else it is. It just makes you feel good. The problem isn't you. It's this stupid plan. It doesn't work for your life. Now let's talk about my lifestyle budgeting framework. It's a budget that actually fits your real life, and it still keeps you on track with your money, but it doesn't treat you like a robot. So first of all, snacks are allowed. Yes, please. Now, this isn't just about food. It's about the little things that you want just because you want them. The $3 soda, the new tech gadget, a new shirt, or fresh pair of socks that just doesn't have holes in it. Maybe it's a treat from your favorite lunch spot or a quick impulse buy just because. It's not irresponsible, it's honest. You're gonna spend stuff like this, so budget for it guilt-free. Second of all, you have a life. Most budgets don't think you do. That might mean takeout after a long day, replacing your phone charger, your gaming controller, or your headphones because they broke again, or grabbing a birthday gift that you forgot was this weekend. Maybe it's that thing at Target or Home Depot you keep forgetting to buy and realize that you need it right now. Instead of pretending those things don't happen, plan for them. Your budget should reflect your real life, not punish you for having one. And then this one, soul snacks. This is extremely important. Yes, I said snacks again, but this one goes deeper. This is the stuff that fills you back up, not because it's practical, but because it matters to you. Maybe it's a new sketch pad, a journal, a new video game, a trip to the thrift store even, solo movie tickets, the book that makes you feel seen or helps you grow in your personal journey, or even just a road trip to give yourself some time and space for your brain to breathe. It's whatever you feel like helps you be yourself again. Not every part of your budget has to be efficient. Some of it needs to fill your soul. Look, even Jesus drank wine. The point here is joy and rest and meaning matter, and your budget should make room for them. You need those moments that fill your cup and feed your soul. Now, how much you spend on yourself, those little joy snacks, those little soul snacks, the real life stuff, if you're in survival mode, that spending might be minimal or occasional, and that's okay. The goal there is just to stabilize. But as you move into growth and beyond, you'll have more room and more flexibility and more space to prioritize what nourishes you emotionally, creatively, and spiritually. And that's what I teach in the 5 stages of financial freedom, so you can understand what's realistic for you right now and what's possible down the road. Every stage of my budget plans for the fact that you have a life and that you need this to be part of your life. Your challenge today is to look at your current budget and ask yourself, where's the space for me? Are you budgeting in a way that supports the life you're actually living, or the one that Pinterest tells you you're supposed to live? Go back through your budget and look for something small that brings you joy, like snacky joy, something fun or flexible in your lifestyle, or stuff that you keep forgetting to budget for and always end up needing to break your budget for because of it. Something soulful that helps you feel more grounded, more alive, more whole. Like the version of you that's been buried under stress and bills for the last how many years. The version of you that remembers what peace feels like. Not just surviving, but actually living. The version of you that gets lost when everything's about work and bills. These aren't extra. They're essential, because when your budget includes real life, it's a lot more likely to actually work. Look, I've lived through the martyr budget phase where I never had seconds at dinner because the kids might want or need more, where I couldn't drink more than 1 glass of milk in a day because it was for the kids, where I thought taking care of yourself meant I was being selfish, where I wouldn't buy myself my favorite fruit, which is mandarin oranges, unless it was going in a salad to feed the family. And let me be honest with you for a moment. It really wasn't that long ago that I had the epiphany that I'm allowed to buy myself a can of mandarin oranges and eat them anytime I damn well please. Listen, here's the truth. Budgeting should include your humanity. It's not about restriction. It's about creating freedom, and freedom starts with building a budget that sees and supports the whole you. If you're finally ready to build a financial life that works for you, not against you, check out this video. And if you're curious about what the stages of financial freedom are right now, I'll link to them here as well. And I'll link to them in the description so you can check them out. It's a must-watch video if you want to know how to grow from where you are now to where you're going to go. And of course, don't miss day 3 of the challenge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.